Hello friends, today I'm going to share one new update. So as you know that there is one event Google I/O 2024. So in this event Google announced some new update and they are also going to launch some new products. So I'm going to share highlights of that event. So there is one AI overviews. So basically Google is rolling out AI overviews in US, and their plan is expand this rollout uh, worldwide by the end of this year. So these updates are mainly related to AI feature, because as you know that Microsoft is already means they are approaching new tool like uh, chat gpt. They are going to launch another version. So before that Google is also announced some products. So the first one is ask photos. So the ask photos uses the Gemini AI model to improve the photo search. So basically, for example, if any user uh, ask any question to the Google Photo library for any specific photo, so ask photo will give accurate result what the user wants. Second is one is AI fraud prevention. So Google will also deploy one AI to help prevent the fraud. So for example, if any AI is calling you from the phone, so at that condition, Google uh, AI fraud prevention tool will recognize that is not a human being, that is a AI. So and they will send one notification to that person. Next one is Project Astra. You know that this is very famous project of Google Astra. So uh, basically Astra is aimed to making Gemini AI naturally conversational. So if anyone is doing conversation with Gemini, so that will look like a genuine, natural, not as a AI or machine. Next one is Gemini 1.5 Flash. So uh, Google also announced Gemini 1.5 Flash. This is a lighter version of Gemini Pro, and it has been optimized for high frequency tasks, coding and reasoning. So this is the very faster and smarter and capable to handle very complex tasks. VO. So another tool they announce, VO. So a powerful new video generation model capable tool. So using this tool, in minutes anyone can generate high quality full HD videos. Other one is Gemini 1.5 Pro integration. So Google is also going to uh, Google set to workplace is set to receive Gemini 1.5 Pro integration for assistant to docs, seats and more. So basically Google is going to enhance their workplace and to adding Gemini 1.5. So after that integration, their productivity tool uh, is more capable and more efficient. So these are the highlights from this event, and this is a very good event uh, for who are like in field of AI, because you know that Microsoft is already focusing on AI, and Google is also one runner up for that. So this is the highlights of Google AI 2024. Thank you.